My room is a mess in the background. I don't care this time, okay? I used to not care. Then I started caring, but now I don't care again right now, okay? So, suck it up. Suck it. My name's Santana. Okay, so you guys, sorry this video is coming up late today, and I actually wasn't gonna upload anything today because I didn't know what to upload. I hadn't filmed anything, I didn't have any ideas. I was just feeling a little lost and I was gonna give up. But here's the thing about Santana that you guys are all gonna learn one way or another. I don't give up, okay? So I'm not giving up, I'm doing my makeup instead. Because I just, I feel like my objective for my YouTube videos is for you guys, one, to feel like you're just hanging out with me, and two, to be entertained. But all that I really strive for at the end of the day is that you guys like my videos, and it doesn't really matter what I'm doing. I just want it to be like we're hanging out and having a good time together. So, with all that being said, I'm just gonna do my makeup and we're just gonna hang out like I tend to do. It's not the first time I've made a video like this. Just getting my primer. And yeah, so that's what this is. I'm just priming my face. I'm not doing anything crazy. I actually didn't want to wear any makeup at all, but I needed a reason to sit down and talk to you guys. So makeup was my excuse. But what's up? How are you guys? How are you feeling? How are we doing? How's everyone feeling about everything? I want to know what's going on with this whole coronavirus thing, because she's not gone, but people are pretending like it's not a thing anymore. So yeah, I don't know. Scary stuff. Guys, so very, very exciting news. Jake and I are going back to Arizona in about 3 weeks, and so we've already, obviously we live there. We've had our apartment over the summer. We just haven't physically been there. So we have an established apartment and everything, but we're gonna go back and just kind of redecorate, revamp our apartment, make it more the way that we want it to be, because we are anticipating on spending a lot more time in it this semester, slowing down a little bit and chilling at home some more. So we're going to do some home improvements and I'm really excited. We have a 2-bedroom apartment, but we obviously sleep in the same room. So we just have a whole extra bedroom and we're about to, well, I wouldn't as much say we, because this is what is this eyebrow? Girl, what are you doing? I got my eyebrows done so bad. But anyway, it's kind of my idea, my vision, but I'm about to redo that whole room and it's gonna be where I'm gonna film. So I'm gonna have a nice little filming setup, cute little background, you already know. And it's just super exciting. So look out for that. I'll have a moving vlog probably. I'm definitely gonna do a room makeover vlog type of deal, and just there'll be lots of cool stuff when we're back there. So I'm really excited about that. I have these 2 foundations and neither of them match me properly. This one's like too orange. This one is too dark. So maybe if I mix them together, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing stuff just so we can hang out, But how's everyone's summer been? How's everyone's summer been? How's everyone's summers been? How do I say that? How do I speak English? Does anyone else feel like not summery at all? I feel like because school went online at the end and then we just like went into summer, that it didn't really feel. Oh no, I don't want all this face makeup on my face. Okay, guess we're using our hands. Because it just went from, okay, this is like totally way too dark for me, huh? What am I doing? Bruh. I'm about to be out here looking crazy. Okay. Who let me do this? Hold on. Oh my god. Guys, I kid you not, every single time I do my makeup, like, not exaggerating, every single time I go into it so excited. I have like a whole kind of idea in my head. I'm like, this is gonna be so cute, look so cute. And then I start doing it and I'm just like, this is horrible and I hate this already. Like, I put on face makeup and I'm like, well,
she tried.
I just really wish so badly, like that's one thing that I really wish, was that I was good at makeup, like genuinely could put makeup on and it looked good. It made my skin look good. It made me look snatched, you know? I don't know how, and I try so hard, and I get the concept, like I'm not completely, I don't know what my problem is, but I really can't do it. It's sad. I also only do like half of the steps in a normal makeup routine. Sometimes I'll put powder on over this, sometimes I won't. Today, nah, I don't feel like it. My eyebrows, I like half did my eyebrows because they're so grown out, they just look crazy when I try to fill them in. I honestly feel like the only things that I can do at this point are eyeliner and a little mascara and call it a day. I don't have anything else to do. I don't use concealer, I don't contour, I don't have a good blush. What do people even do? I don't like wearing eyeshadow because I don't know how to do anything. Okay, so we're just gonna put on a eyeliner and mascara and call it a day, I guess. Okay, guys, I actually think my eyeliner skills have slowly been increasing. Not to brag, but I just did tiny little wing. And the funnier part about all of this is I'm actually getting ready to go swimming. So I'm putting on makeup and it's just all gonna come off in the water. But I do it for you. Like I said, I do it for you. Yo, for you. I do it for you. I do it for you. I do it for you. Okay, chill, bitch. Now I'm gonna use this L'Oreal mascara. It sucks. I hate this mascara. I hate this mascara. Never buy this mascara. It sucks and I hate it. But I'm poor and I can't afford to buy a new one right now. So I'm gonna use it. But I will not ever be purchasing it again. I don't know. It doesn't stay on well. It like, you know when mascara crusts off after a while? Yeah, this does that. It doesn't make my eyelashes look good. It just gets all like that. It just chunks together and it doesn't add much length. It's just not a very good mascara. I never put mascara on my bottom lashes when I use this one because it literally just comes right off. So there's no point in wasting my time putting it on. I actually, like, I know I've said this so many times and for such a long time that I need to just buy a bunch of new makeup products, but I think it's starting to get to the point where I actually need to buy a whole entire new makeup collection. Like, the only makeup products I have that are actually pretty good and newer and work well are a primer. This eyeliner works pretty well. And like highlighters. I have so many highlights. I have like 5 different highlights, but everything else, including like brushes, my beauty blender, I need a new one. Oh, my eyebrow pencil is decent, but I need like eyebrow gel. I don't have blush. I don't know how to contour. I don't use concealer. I don't use any lip products. I need a mascara, you know? I just need to start completely fresh. I just need to start all over and revamp my makeup collection. So I'll do that one day. Don't you guys worry, one day, and I'll show you, and we'll do a big haul, and it'll be so fun for everyone. That'll be so fun. The best day is the day that the best day, what do I mean by that? The best day ever is gonna be the day that I get to just splurge on a whole new set of makeup and do a big fat makeup haul and show you guys all the stuff that I got, and then do a whole full face with my new makeup. That sounds so exciting. So my eyelashes look like, ugh. Well, I don't want to put any more makeup on than this. I literally just put on foundation, used an eyebrow pencil, and then put on eyeliner and mascara and called it a day. Actually, we'll do a quick little highlight. Fenty Beauty forever and always. Just a little here, just a little here. I had a smaller brush that I like to use for my inner corners, but then I had a lip gloss explode. Not explode, that's a very dramatic word to use for the situation. Leak in the bottom of my makeup bag and got clear lip gloss all over my brush. So that is super cool. Okay, I'm done. Okay, well, this is what my makeup looks like. Yeah, nothing special, nothing very good, but you know, just like a quick little everyday type of makeup vibe. So that's probably what I'm gonna call this video, my like everyday makeup routine, because this is actually if I'm just gonna go out real quick for the day, I don't want to wear a bunch of makeup. This is exactly how I do my makeup, so guess this is my everyday makeup routine. Anyway, I don't really know exactly what this video was. I guess it's just a little bit of me ranting and just us hanging out. But either way, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, especially subscribe and click the bell because I'm not going anywhere. I upload 3 times a week. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So be there, because I'll be there. So you be there too. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip.